Divorce can bring about significant changes, including financial adjustments. In North Carolina, understanding alimony is crucial. Here's what you need to know about alimony in North Carolina. Alimony in North Carolina ensures both spouses can maintain their standard of living post-divorce. Typically, the higher-earning partner pays spousal support to balance out any financial imbalances that may exist between partners. The judge considers various factors, including length of marriage, financial need, standard of living during the marriage, earning capacity of each party, age and health of each party, contribution to the marriage, ability to pay, and marital misconduct. When does alimony end? In a divorce case, a judge may order one spouse to pay spousal support to the other. The support includes type, length, and amount of payments and can be temporary or permanent. If permanent, it continues until the recipient's spouse passes away, but may end if the recipient remarries. If you're going through a divorce, seek legal guidance. At Arnold Smith, PLLC, we're here to help. Call us today to schedule a consultation.